my channel. Today's video is very exciting. I am going to show you how I whiten my teeth in 10 minutes using the HiSmile teeth whitening kit and their day and night toothpaste. I am going to show you how to use this and also how to use the day and night toothpaste, and also talk about the benefits that the toothpaste has. As you can tell, I have used them a lot. They're almost empty and I am very impressed by their product. So HiSmile did send me their product and I tried them out, and I decided to show you. As you can tell, I have already used 2 of the syringes and there is only a half left because this is the last treatment that I'm gonna do on my teeth. So when I first started using the HiSmile kit, my teeth was between a 5 and a 6, and now it is here. And I'm not joking, this works. So I will show you everything that comes in the teeth whitening kit so that you can have an idea of what you are going to receive. So this is what it looks like. When you open it, you see the 3 syringes, and here's how it works, tutorial paper. And down here is the whitening LED light. So let me show you the tutorial of how this works. So first you have to brush your teeth, and it also shows you how to make the LED light work, because you have to take the battery out of the LED light, remove the plastic, and reinsert the battery to turn it on. It shows you how to attach the mouth tray. It also shows you how much of the syringe that you have to apply to the mouth tray, and then it says to relax and to let the whitening process begin. Wait 10 minutes, rinse, and smile. It actually tells you to limit the intake of the dark colored food like red wine, coffee, tea before and after application, but I would avoid it. Like, don't drink it because you could ruin your process. It also tells you to apply pressure to the mouthpiece, and the reason why you have to apply pressure is because usually when you go to the dentist to get a mouth tray, you get your teeth measured and everything, and here you don't. So you really have to apply pressure so that you really get the whitening product on your teeth. So let me show you quickly how this works. You take the mouth tray and the LED light and attach it right here. It is very easy to use. This is also something that I really love about this product. It is so easy to use. There you go. It doesn't matter if you use this side or this side. First I was really confused. I was like, what am I doing? But it's so easy. Then you take the product and apply it right here on top and right here on the bottom. And there's another tip that I have for you guys. If you really want to make sure that it gets on your teeth, you could take a little brush and brush it on your teeth, but I would actually recommend you to just put it on the tray, because this is how HiSmile tells you to use it. So now I will apply it right here on top and bottom. There we go. This is what it is supposed to look like. It will not fall off. Don't worry. Then you just have to press this button and wait 10 minutes. Quick update, I just went to the hair salon. I had to stop my recording and I'm back now. It's already later in the day, so excuse if I look a little different. You also don't have to worry about turning it on and turning it off, because you can turn it on and then it just stays for 10 minutes, and you can also turn it off whenever you want to turn it off. So this also tells you exactly what ingredients it has and the breakdowns in them, like aloe vera. So let me show you a before and after picture of my teeth. I also want to say that I have always had very white teeth. I have never had yellow teeth, but I noticed that the HiSmile kit helped my teeth a lot, because it went from the 5 to a 3 and to a 2. So now moving on to the toothpaste. This is the HiSmile Day and Night toothpaste, and I will tell you exactly why I love this kit so much. First of all, this is so pretty. There's a funny story with me. When I was little, I was obsessed with buying shampoo and toothpaste and toothbrushes. I still am. I love buying shampoo and I love buying teeth care products. So I was really excited when I got this. So let's start off with the day toothpaste. This has a little sun right here, so you know exactly which one is the day and night. So the day toothpaste includes micro wax, which prevents stain. It also has aloe vera in it and natural peppermint oil for you to have your fresh breath. This is very gentle to your teeth. It also says here on the back what it does. It prevents stains from occurring, aloe vera to control bacteria, 5 key minerals for teeth health. And it also has protective microchill wax in it. So the reason why I love the night toothpaste, like I do love the day toothpaste, but the night toothpaste is my favorite, is because of the activated charcoal in it. And as you guys probably know, I have already reviewed a charcoal powder on my channel. The thing with whitening powders is that it is very, very messy, and you have to be so careful when you want to open the powder jar. And with this toothpaste, as you can tell, it is black, pitch black. But once you start using it, it's white and your mouth won't be black, but you're still getting the charcoal you need for your natural teeth whitening. So this is amazing. You can also get this box right here as a subscription box, but you can cancel it anytime that you want, so you don't have to worry. It also tells you the ingredients on the back, and the box looks very pretty. It looks very like expensive and just luxurious. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions about the teeth whitening, let me know down below. I will answer them. And also don't forget to subscribe before you leave this channel, to give this video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment down below. I also want to thank HiSmile for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I wish you a beautiful night or day, and I will see you guys next time on my channel. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.
You got a fetish for my love.